Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Grouping layers in Photoshop Elements lets you better organize related layers into groups. You can expand and collapse the layers in the group to help you organize multiple layers that contain related content within the Layers panel. To create a new layer group above the currently selected layer or layer group in the Layers panel, click the Create a New Group button in the toolbar at the top of the Layers panel. The layer group will be added above the active layer or layer group. To rename the layer group, double-click the layer group name in the Layers panel, or select Layer, Rename Group from the menu bar when the layer group is selected in the Layers panel. Then type a name for the layer group, and press the Enter key on your keyboard or click the layer group icon to set the new name. To add layers to a layer group, click and drag a layer onto the layer group name in the Layers panel. Alternatively, you can select existing layers within the Layers panel, and then either click the Create a New Group button in the toolbar at the top of the Layers panel, or select Layer, Group Layers from the menu bar to create a new group from the selected layers. Layers in a layer group appear indented under the layer group icon in the Layers panel. After adding layers to a layer group, you can then click the arrow shown to the left of the panel group icon in the Layers panel to both collapse and expand the layers in the group. To remove a layer from a layer group, click and drag the layer within the layer group above the layer group icon in the Layers panel and then release it. You can also select the layer group icon in the Layers panel and select Layer, Ungroup Layers from the menu bar to ungroup all the layers in the layer group. When you delete a layer group, you can either delete only the group or both the group and its layers. To do this, click the layer group icon to select it, and then click the Delete Layer button in the Layers panel, or select Layer, Delete Group from the menu bar. In the confirmation dialog box that appears, you can click the Group and Contents button to delete the group and its contents. You can click the Group Only button instead to only delete the layer group but leave its contents intact. You can click the Cancel button to cancel the deletion of the layer group.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.